and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut. I'm here outside of the Kia Oval in London and I'm back with the weather predictions. Now I know that you guys think that I have a very bad track record with weather predictions, but that's not my fault. You see, I just see what the weather apps are saying and then I aggregate that information and give it to you guys. Now I know Manchester was pretty unpredictable, but London so far, the predictions that I have given, or at least the one that I have reported on, have been pretty true. Day one, heavily affected by rain. You saw a lot of rain delay, a lot of breaks in the game happening, lots of stop and start play, and of course the day extending till 7:30 p.m. Now that happened on day two as well. Now you might be saying it looks pretty grim and gloomy and dim out behind me right now, but that is because it is still day two, and I am shooting on the evening of day two. Now, if we talk about weather prediction today, it is good luck for India. For the first time, or at least for the very few times throughout the series, the weather is actually going in favor of the Indian batting lineup. They are going to go out there, and guess what? It's going to be bright and sunny tomorrow. Less than 5% chances of rain throughout the day. Only there's a small period from, I think, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. where you're going to see 10 to 20% chances of precipitation, which is not at all much. You have a Yashasvi Jaiswal out there. Shubman Gill will now come out. Akashdeep obviously is there. He was the night's watchman. But Shubman Gill and Yashasvi Jaiswal, if they stitch together a partnership, anything over 250 at this point will be very, very competitive for England. They are one bowler short. They are also, when Chris Woakes goes out of the playing 11, you've also lost someone who can make the tail wag. So England right now, they have three bowlers. India has three bowlers, but when you compare the three bowlers, Indian bowlers are fitter than the English bowlers. And how long can a Gus Atkinson bowl? How long can a Jamie Overton or a Josh Tongue bowl? Do they even have the capacity to bowl long spells at this point, especially when the sun comes out? So advantage India at this point. Yashasvi Jaiswal got his half century, another half century for Yashasvi Jaiswal in this series. He's negated the new ball beautifully. He got those two lifelines from Liam Dawson and Harry Brook, but he should take that as an opportunity and grab it by the throat. So, advantage India once again. How long can Akashdeep take this forward? And even if he's not able to, that's fine, because you have a Shubman Gill, you have a Karun Nair, and you have a Washington Sundar and Ravindra Jadeja to fall back on. So it's advantage India at this point. Weather prediction, less than 5% throughout the day. Only a small period with 10 to 20% of rain predicted. Apart from that, it's all good.